Hi everyone, Joe Napoli here with Gamalux Lighting Systems. Today this is a quick demonstration of the 3D series sample case. On the front of your soft bag case you'll have a listing of the items that are inside the case. Go ahead and open that up, and something you're going to see a little bit new from us is a remote driver. In this particular case we've got the remote driver inside a box with a dimming knob on it, and so I'll go ahead and demonstrate that. Of course you'll just plug that into your wall as you normally would. And take the low voltage end of that of the power wire and plug it into one of the two fixtures that has a matching receptacle on it. In this particular case, I'm using the GX3D 13D2. GX meaning Gamalux, 3D is the 3D series fixture grouping. The 13 being an inch and a half or 1.5 inches by 3, so 1, 3, 13, and then D for direct, and 2 being second generation or a snap-in lens condition. So GX3D 13D2. In this particular case, again, I've got the dimming controller on it. Now, the reason why we do this is because if you're showing the fixture in maybe a small room or a dark room, and you show them at high output, it can be very uncomfortable to take a look at inside those smaller or darker rooms. So having the dimming capability on here is very nice. Now, certainly we can build all of our fixtures with integral drivers. We're not showing this as a remote driver only type of product. The only reason why we're showing the remote driver or using the remote driver here is to decrease the cost of the sample case, as well as the weight of the fixture. It's a bit easier to handle without a driver inside. And once you pick one up and show it, you'll see what I mean. So this is the GX3D 13D2 fixture, and now I will plug the remote driver into the other fixture that has the power receptacle on it, and that is the very same product, but in this particular case it's a recessed model. And I'll go ahead and turn that down, make it easier to see. In this particular case, it's actually the same housing. We've just added a flange onto the bottom of the fixture to show how it would look from below in a recessed condition. So this, in like fashion to the other one, this is the GX, Gamalux, 3D, which is the 3D series grouping of fixtures, 13, 1 by 3, or actually 1.5 by 3, RC, meaning recessed 2. Which is the second generation. So GX 3D 13 RC2, and that's this product, whereas the first one I showed you was the D2. Very same product, just different fittings. Now again, just like the direct fixture, we do not have to have remote drivers with this fixture. We just happen to be showing it this way in the sample case just for your ease of use of carrying it around, and again, to reduce the cost of the sample kits. In addition to the two fixtures that are powered by the remote driver, we also have a fixture that is hardwired with an integral driver. So I'll go ahead and plug that one in right now. Again, we have a dimming knob on the fixture for your ease of demonstration. Now, this particular fixture is the GX3D 24 B2. So again, GX being Gamalux, 3D is the 3D series grouping of fixtures, 24 meaning nominal 2-inch by 4-inch tall, and then B2 meaning bidirectional, second generation, meaning it takes a group of snap-in lenses and shields. So GX 3D 24 B2. So that is that's your sample kit. Everything fits nice and snug. You want to be careful on putting everything in. Make sure you're not snagging anything or scratching things. But a good little sample kit for you to demonstrate the 3D series from Gamalux. Thanks.